In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Charles Schwab Platinum Debit Card. The process is straightforward because the card comes automatically with a specific bank account. To get the Charles Schwab Visa Platinum Debit Card, you'll open a Schwab Bank Investor checking account. That checking account includes the debit card by default, and in Schwab's official agreement, it's referred to as a Visa Platinum Debit Card. I'll walk you through how to start, what to have ready, what to expect after approval, and an important eligibility note. Begin on the official Schwab checking page for the Schwab Bank Investor Checking Account. Select Open an Account, then choose whether you want an individual checking account for one person or a joint checking account if you're opening it with someone else. From there, complete the online application. Take a moment to enter your information carefully and make sure it matches your identification to avoid delays. As part of this process, Schwab typically also opens a linked brokerage account automatically alongside your checking account. That's normal, and it will show up under the same login. Before you start, it helps to have a few things ready. You'll usually need a social security number or tax ID, a government-issued ID, a U.S. address, a phone number, and an email. These details are used to verify your identity and to send important account communications. Be sure the address you provide is a secure place where you can receive mail, since that's where your card will be sent. After your application is approved, Schwab will mail the debit card to the address you provided. When it arrives, simply activate it by following the instructions that come with the card. Activation methods can vary, so just use the steps included in the envelope. Once it's activated, your card is ready to use for everyday purchases and ATM withdrawals wherever Visa Debit is accepted. A quick note on eligibility. The Schwab Bank Investor Checking Account is generally available to U.S. residents. If you're outside the United States, you may only qualify for different Schwab debit cards that are tied to international brokerage accounts rather than the investor checking account. Availability and requirements can vary, so review the latest details directly with Schwab if you're not a U.S. resident. That's it. Open the Schwab Bank Investor Checking Account, complete the application with the usual identification and contact details, and after approval, your Visa Platinum debit card will be mailed to you for activation. Follow the included instructions, and you'll be all set.